Hey y'all, it's Tamara. Welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all have been well. So today's video, I will not hold you long, but I'm hoping to offer you guys some quick, relaxing cleaning motivation. So I am doing a power hour. I just want to get the house back together. I'll be cleaning up some of the trouble areas, our bedroom, the living room, and the kitchen. The kitchen, we're always in there. So of course, we always need to clean it multiple times a day. So I hope this video motivates you guys to get up and get something done around your home quickly. It doesn't take a lot of time just to reset your house. So let's get started. So I'm still enjoying this linen spray that I picked up from TJ Maxx, really inexpensive, and it smells really good. I also spray my drapes, pillows, not just in the bedroom, but also in the living room as well. Even sometimes my cloth seats in the dining room, just so when you walk by, you can smell that clean, fresh scent. So I've really been enjoying it. I have gone back to TJ Maxx looking for some other ones and also Marshalls, but I haven't found any other ones that I like. So I'm on the hunt for a new scent, and hopefully I'll be able to find something. So the kitchen actually wasn't that bad on this day. I do have a lot of mason jars that I need to clean. I have been making smoothies. Me and my family had been on a smoothie cleanse. So I will make the smoothies for us for breakfast and lunch during the day. So of course, a lot of these jars I have to clean out during the day. Because if you don't get the smoothie out with the greens and stuff like that right out of your glass or whatever, it's just so hard to clean. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hand wash these dishes so that I can get them dried and put away.
I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for someone to be together, be together? Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. I got ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together, be together. Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. Are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together, I wanna be together. Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters to me.
So I'm just showing you guys the smoothie cleanse recipe book that we use by JJ Smith. She also has a green smoothies for life book that you right after you finish this book. This one is a 10-day cleanse, and you can do the modified version, which is what me and my family did. And this is two smoothies a day, and you can eat dinner, just a nice sensible dinner, or you can do the full cleanse, which is 3 meal replacement smoothies a day. I will say it's kind of tough when doing it. Your body has to get used to it, but it feels so much better, and you can just have a healthier gut and just get some of that gook out of your stomach. That's what I call it, out of your body. And you can shed a few pounds as well, and just gives you a jump start if you're trying to start eating healthier and stuff like that. I probably started doing the Clorox book maybe 5 or 6 years ago. I would do them every once in a while, but I do incorporate a just to have a meal replacement. I highly suggest you guys just try smoothies out to get the nutrients from things of the earth, from vegetables and from fruits. It just makes you feel so much better and energized. So if you haven't tried smoothies, that's just my little tip, just try them and see if you like it, to replace, at least one meal a day with it.
You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. Without your love, I am out of place, and without you, I am just a trace. I love you with all of my heart, together forever, never to part. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what.
With this being a relaxing clean with me video, I am not going to talk anymore in this video, but I do want to thank you guys for stopping by and hanging out with me today. If you are new, I hope that you enjoyed this video enough to consider subscribing. Also, you guys hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and also make sure your notification bells are on. I will have another video coming up on Wednesday. It will be a long one. If you enjoy long cleaning videos, it will be a full home clean with me. So I can't wait to chat with you on Wednesday in the comments. Thank you so much. I hope you have the most amazing, blessed week. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Bye, y'all.
The things that you do, and it's a smile on your face. The smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place.
Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew of this wouldn't lose myself again. Please get out of my mind. Just get out of my how I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me free this feeling. Oh, someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see it. Oh, someone help me free this feeling. Someone now help me see it. Oh,
I am stuck in the middle. Yeah, I'm stuck in between. I'm stuck in opposition. I'm just a machine. So you're stuck in the middle, huh? I guess we're stuck in between. Life is a riddle, yeah. And I don't know what it means, no.